Huhtamaki is a key global provider of sustainable packaging solutions. Our innovative products ensure hygiene and safety to help prevent food waste. We are committed to protecting food, people, and the planet. Welcome to the Huhtamaki Food Service Manufacturing Unit in Hämeenlinna, Finland. Around 230 employees work here to deliver sustainable packaging solutions to our customers across the Nordic and Baltic countries. We are proud to show you around our new state-of-the-art facilities. From raw materials to customers, our supply chain is short. A raw material comes from a local certified and sustainably managed forest. The wood is converted into paper pulp and then paperboard before arriving in the factory in big reels. Let's take a quick tour inside the factory, where we have put the latest innovations and lean production methods into action. Safety and hygiene are essential, so let's gear up and get ready. This is where our manufacturing process starts. Our designers turn graphic designs into physical print reels with our state-of-the-art machinery. The print reels are then installed in the printing machinery, where the paperboard is printed with the customer's design. Instead of solvent-based inks, we have been using only water-based inks since 2018. Water-based inks are safer for our employees and better for the environment. The printed reels are moved to interim storage to wait for the next step in the process. Blanking. The paperboard reels are fed to inline blanking machines. They cut the paperboard into the right shape and size for the product forming machines. We recycle over 90% of our non-hazardous waste. For example, excess paperboard waste from the blanking process is automatically dispatched to recycling through a waste vacuum system. During winter, the warm air from the vacuum is filtered and used as part of the manufacturing facility heating system. The product forming machines do their magic and form the end product out of the blanks. The finished products are automatically sent to packaging. A keen eye may notice some curious nozzles here and there inside the factory. These nozzles keep the humidity optimal for both the raw materials and the manufacturing process, while ensuring pleasant conditions for our employees. The finalized products are sent to our fully automated packaging process. Next, the boxes are moved to palletizing into our warehouse for their journey to the customers. And finally, once users have enjoyed their meals and beverages, 100% of our products can be recycled. The fiber used from our paper cups can be recycled and reused up to 7 times before it loses its strength. Magazine paper or corrugated board are examples of products made from recycled fiber. In Hämeenlinna, our entire production flow is designed following lean principles. The production process is smooth, efficient, and highly automated from blanking to storage. The factory heating system uses geothermal energy in addition to the internal waste-to-heat process, and we're targeting to use only renewable energy by 2030. The outer walls are designed for energy efficiency, and the factory is installed with an intelligent LED lighting system. All this to conserve time, energy, and the environment. Thank you on behalf of our team for taking a tour at the Huhtamaki Hämeenlinna factory.